These YouTube channels are getting millions of views just by uploading simple AI videos. Surprising but true, this channel has gained more than 450,000 subscribers so far. Most of the videos on this channel are getting thousands of views. Even some videos are getting more than 1 million views. Let's check another channel. This channel has about 150,000 subscribers, and it got these subscribers just by making simple AI videos. So can you imagine how much income these channels generate from YouTube ads? Do you know these channels only use AI to make videos? They use AI to make pictures and animations. Even voiceovers use AI. These channels upload motivational videos. They use special methods to edit the videos. That's why they are getting millions of views every day. Do you want to know how you can make similar AI motivational videos and earn lots of money from YouTube? In this video, I will explain everything step by step and teach how to make this type of video. At the end of the video, I will teach you a secret trick that will help you to get millions of views and earn thousands of dollars. So keep watching the video until the end. Step 1. First, go to ChatGPT and sign up for free. Hope you have signed up. Then, come to the chat box and write this prompt. Then, click on the arrow option. ChatGPT will give you a beautiful script. Using this script, you can make a beautiful animated short video. If the script is not unique, or if you don't like this script, don't worry. Click on the regenerate option. It will give you one more script, and that's it. It will be more unique. In the same way, you can make multiple scripts. If needed, you can also make some changes to the script to make it more realistic. However, for now, I will keep with this. So our script is ready. Now we need effective prompts to create animated images based on our script. No problem. For this, you can get help from ChatGPT. Again, go to ChatGPT and write craft prompts for each stage of the script used for the AI animation videos. And click on the arrow button. Wow, ChatGPT has provided some amazing prompts. With these, you can create beautiful animated pictures and videos. Step 2. Voiceover. There are many websites that offer free AI voiceovers, but my favorite is 11 Labs. Go to Google and search 11 Labs. Log in to 11 Labs. Click on the sign up option, enter your email address and password. Remember to enter a strong password. Otherwise, 11 Labs will not accept your password. Now, click on sign up. A verification code will be sent to your email. Verify your account from the email. Once your account is verified, such an interface will appear. 11 Labs will give you 5,000 credits for free as soon as you open a new account. This credit is enough to prepare our voiceover. Okay, now, you need to prepare your voiceover. Go to ChatGPT and copy the script. Then paste the script here. Now select any voice you like. There are many beautiful male and female voices. You can select the one you like. Alright, now click on the generate option. Okay, the voice is ready. Let's listen to the voice.
In a quaint village surrounded by dark, mysterious woods.
Wow, that's perfect. If you don't like this voice, you can select another voice and regenerate it. For now, I will keep with this. Now click on the download option to download the voice. Okay, our voiceover is ready. Now we need some background music for your videos. Many websites offer copyright-free music, and today we will use Open Mix Kit. Simply click on the stock music option to explore a wide variety of copyright-free tracks. Download your desired music directly from the site. You don't have to pay anything for that. You can also use copyright-free music from YouTube. Simply go to the YouTube search bar and type "no copyright sounds." Visit their channel. You'll find a wide variety of copyright-free music. There are lots of channels that provide free music, like Breaking Copyright, Royalty-Free Music, No Copyright Background Music. Step 3. Generate Image. Leonardo AI is one of the best tools for generating images. It is already open. After that, click on Google Account and sign up with Google Account. After signing up, you will see such an interface. Now click on Image Creation. Set image dimension to 16 by 9 and style to 3D render. After that, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt. Now paste it into this box. After that, click on the Generate option to generate the image. Image is generating. Wow, it looks awesome. Now click on the Download option and download the image. Follow the same rules and generate images with all the prompts. While generating images, upload the previous image as a reference. All images are related to each other. After all the images are generated, download all the images one by one. The next step after downloading the images is to enhance their quality. Go to canva.com for that. Open canva.com, click on the video option, and click on the mobile video option. Now click on the upload option. Select and upload all the images that you have downloaded from Leonardo AI. After that, click on the Apps option and click on the Image Upscaler option. Choose an image. Click on the 4x option and click on Upscale. Click on Add to the design. Now click on the Share option. After that, download the image. In the same way, upscale all the images and download. Step 4. Creating animation from images. You can use LumaLab to create animations. Open LumaLab. Now, sign up with a Google account. After that, click on the photo icon and add a photo. Go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it into LumaLab. Remember to match the prompt with the photo. Now click on the arrow option. Now the animation generator will start. But there is a small problem with this AI. The problem is that it takes a lot of time to generate the animation. But I have an alternative. For this, you can use a different AI. Its name is Runway. Go to the Runway. Click on the Get Start option and then sign up and log in using your Google account. Now I will upload the pictures that I have created and edited with AI and paste them at the prompt. After that, I will click on the Generate option. OK, generating. This AI is better compared to Luma AI because it can generate animated videos faster. I will wait until the video is generated. The video is generated. Now download all the videos. Step 5. Video editing. Video editing is a very important part. I will use CapCut for video editing because CapCut is very easy to use and it's completely free. Open CapCut. First, I start by importing all the video elements into the editing software. This is the foundation where the story begins to take shape. Next, I bring in the voiceover and place it on the timeline. I carefully adjust the video clips to match the flow of the narration, ensuring every scene aligns perfectly with the message. Finally, it's time for some magic. I enhance the visuals with effects that make the video more dynamic and visually appealing, creating a smooth and enjoyable experience for the viewer. Then, click the Export button. After that, give a name to the video. Select a folder where you want to save the video. I will click on the Export option again. The video is being exported. Alright, now let's check our video.
In a quaint village surrounded by dark, mysterious woods, a young girl named Clara discovers a forgotten map in her attic, rumored to lead to a hidden treasure.
Wow, it looks amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with more amazing content. See you in the next one.